Last week on EMMANUELS Montreal, we posted a picture of nature's duster. And people are asking, they wanted to see it live in a video form. We showed it in a picture form, but they wanted to see it live in a video form. So, here we are again, on the spot where the nature's duster shines bright 24/7, 360, well, not 360, it would be 225 days a year, because in winter it just doesn't appear. So let's go check it out, and hope you enjoy it. There it is! Nature's duster, ladies and gentlemen. Nature's duster. Woohoo! Live. Say hello, duster. Hello. There we go. See? Nature's duster. Live. As Montreal continues.